seeing you with the First Lady, always looking dashing, and people saying this is the most beautiful army officer we've seen out there. So we want to know, what is that routine like? How do you keep this beautiful look, the good hair, the good skin, the nice look generally? How do you do it?
In the heart of East Africa, Uganda, stands a woman whose name echoes through a military barracks, government halls, and communities alike. Brigadier General Charity Bainababo, known widely for remarkable beauty and elegance. She is also a symbol of discipline, resilience, and leadership. From humble beginning to become the first woman deputy commander of Uganda Elite Special Forces Command, General Bainababo's story is one of breaking barriers and inspiring generation. Her grace and calm often catch the eye, whether in military uniform or civilian attire. But behind the striking appearance lies a rough dedicated to service, sacrifice, and unyielding determination.
From the day you step into training, timekeeping is emphasized, because that minute you lose, you could miss the enemy or you could lose a person.
Born in 1975, into a family rooted in service, Charity Bainababo was shaped by strong role models. Her father, a retired police officer, introduced her to the values of discipline and public duty. At the same time, her mother provided nurturing home, teaching resilience and compassion. Growing up alongside siblings who shared culture of hard work and integrity, Charity learned the importance of community and responsibility from a young age. She attended Kako primary schools, followed by St. Charles Ruanga Karunga Girls for her O-level studies, and Progressive Secondary School for A-level education, believing that education was the key to unlocking opportunities. She pursued further studies, earning a bachelor degree in marketing from Uganda University. Her hunger for knowledge did not stop there. Charity went on to earn a postgraduate diploma and 2 master's degrees, one in information system management from Uganda Management Institute, and another in defense and strategic studies from Makerere University in 2021. This academic achievement laid a strong foundation for her leadership journey in world where women are still underrepresented. In 1998, Charity took a bold step that would shape her entire life. She joined the Uganda People's Defense Force, UPDF, at Kabamba military schools. Basic training was tough, demanding mental toughness and physical strength. As the one of few women in her class, she faced skepticism, but refused to let doubts stop her. She completed cadet training at the school infantry in Jinja and was commissioned as the second lieutenant. Charity's path was not easy, balancing military duties with societal expectations, overcoming gender bias, and pushing past limits. Her commitment was unwavering. In 2008, she graduated from the company commander course at Junior Staff College in Jinja. Later, she attended the Senior Command Staff College at Tikaka, further honing her strategic and leadership skills. Charity Bainababo's career is marked by numerous milestones. She serves as aide-de-camp to Uganda First Lady, Janet Museveni, a role that required not only military expertise, but diplomacy, trust, and impeccable professionalism. In 2021, he was promoted from Lieutenant Colonel to Colonel, one of nearly 140 UPDF officers honored in mass promotion. The following year, she broke new ground by becoming the first woman deputy commander of Special Forces Command, a critical unit tasked with protecting Uganda top leaders and ensuring national security. Her leadership extended beyond the military. She was elected as the one of 3 women to present the UPDF in Uganda's 11th Parliament 2021 to 2026 and become the Dean of the UPDF Parliament Caucus. In this capacity, she serves as a bridge between military and civilian leadership, influencing national policy and championing the role of women in security. Behind the uniform and public roles, Charity Bainababo is devoted mother of 2 sons. Her firstborn arrived in 2005, and the second in 2007. Managing motherhood alongside managing military career has been like holding down 2 full-time jobs, a challenge she embraced with grace. Her family support and close bonds have been key to her success. She often speaks of humility and inner peace, values deeply influenced by lessons from Uganda First Lady and mentor, Janet Museveni. Life in the military is not without obstacles. Charity has faced controversies, including diplomatic incident in Bujumbura in 2023. Yet, her professionalism and calm in adversity have strengthened her reputation as the leader who rises above criticism. Her story is one of resilience, defying gender norms in traditional male-dominated field, and providing that leadership is about character, not gender. General Bainababo's human side shines through her love of football, where she plays goalkeeper, and her joy in dancing with children. These moments reveal a leader connected to her community, grounded in joy and humility. Her beauty and elegance are natural. She prefers simple skin care like Vaseline and no makeup look, reflecting confidence and authenticity.
Vaseline. I do Vaseline because I don't have time for makeup and things. I wake up, take a shower and, apply Vaseline and get going. My hair is natural. And to make sure I be happy.
Brigadier General Charity Bainababo stands a trailblazer inspiring women, not just in Uganda but across Africa. Her journey demonstrates that with education, determination, and courage, women can break barriers and serve at the highest level. Her life story encourages young girls to dream big, to aim for leadership roles, and to know that they belong in every sphere of society. From the disciplined daughter of a police officer to one Uganda's highest-ranking female military officers, Charity Bainababo's journey is testament to resilience, faith, and leadership. She embodies the spirit of African women rising, balancing strength, grace, and service with compassion. Her story is a powerful reminder. When given the chance, women can lead nation and shape future. Thanks for watching. What do you think of Brigadier General Bainababo's journey? Does her story inspire you about women leadership? Which part of her life moved you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about it. Cheers.